Okay, my name's Hamp again with Rentals. I'm here to discuss the SVL97-2. We just went through some basic maintenance on the unit. I did want to call out another really critical element is the air filter. This air filter has 3 different locking mechanisms. Those are popped off, and it will allow this casing to pull out. Okay. You want to make sure that there's an inner and an outer air filter, and you can see that debris can get down into that air filter. This air filter will come out, and you can see where this is not terrible, but you can definitely start to see where dust, dirt, debris, material is starting to clog up the I guess you want to call it the top portion of this filter. So that can be blown out from the inside out with an air filter. You definitely don't want to get this wet. It needs to be done with dry air, but blow that out at least daily when being used. If it's heavy use and really dusty, may even need to be done twice a day. That's the outer air filter, and then there is an inner air filter here as well. And you can notice that it has a specific slot that air filter goes into. You want to make sure that is fully seated, along with the external air filter as well. It should fully seat, and this cap should go back on. This inner air filter can be blown out, but it should be very clean at all times. If the outer air filter is doing its job, this unit should have very little dust, dirt, debris, discoloration on it. Also, what needs to happen is this particular housing unit needs to be blown out, wiped out, and cleaned out, along with this evacuator valve. Okay, that evacuator valve can get debris caught up in it, but you want to make sure that is cleaned out. And as you can see, this one is completely clogged up, so that needs to be blown out, rinsed out, and dried off. And you want to make sure everything's fully dry before putting this back on. And you always want to go inner air filter, outer air filter, housing, make sure everything's seated very well, and that these 3 clips are holding that on properly. Thank you.